Hello everybody, welcome you to Shravani's kitchen. My today's recipe is cauliflower roast. Cauliflower roast, known as Fulkopir roast in Bengali, is a Bengali dish and is must in winters. Though it is called a roast, which means cooking in the oven, but from ancient times it's been cooked in flames only. It's very easy to make, so come, let's know the recipe. The ingredients we need are bay leaves, garam masala, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, tomato, plain yogurt, onion paste, salt, cashew paste, green chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, ghee. The main ingredient is cauliflower. I have taken one cauliflower and cut it into medium pieces. Now heat oil in a pan and give all the cauliflower pieces into the oil one by one. Add small salt and fry. Until it turns golden brown. Now, in the same leftover oil, give 2 bay leaves and a small amount of whole garam masala. Fry for 30 seconds. Add the onion paste and saute. One by one add garlic paste, ginger paste, and green chili paste. Mix well. Now give half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix. Add salt to taste. Add the tomato. Now add 3 teaspoons of plain yogurt. And saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the fried cauliflowers and mix. Give 1/4 glass of warm water and cover the pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid. Add the cashew paste and mix well. Once again, cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the lid. There is no extra water. Thick gravy is formed. Just add half teaspoon of ghee and spread. It's ready. This goes best with pulao, white rice and roti also. Just cook it and taste it. It's delicious.